And the things that we need are a cover of a book, white chart paper, a toilet tissue roll, paintbrush, white color paint, 2 markers, red and black or any other color that you want, scissor, pencil and glue, Fevicol or whatever glue you want to use. We start with the book cover that we have cut. We draw it into this shape. As you can see the shape, it's round about the size of a small ruler or say 7 inches. We will cut this into the shape. So I'm going to cut this. After I've cut this shape, the back side is colored. So I need a chart paper which I'm going to place it on this and cut exactly the same shape. I'm going to draw it and cut it the same shape. If you have a paper which is white from both the side, you can even use that. After sticking the white paper on the back side, it will look something like this, white from both the side. Now I leave it as it is over here and I take the toilet tissue roll. I'm going to cut this portion with the scissor. This is the way we are going to cut. This portion is out. Now I'm going to paint this. So I take white paint. First I'm going to do the painting outside. Once I finish the painting outside, I'm going to also paint the inner side. Use a little thick paint so it gives a good finishing. I will just hold the tissue roll and just go around like this. If your tissue roll is white in color, you don't need to paint it. I will just show you. So you complete the outer part painting, you can allow it to dry and then do the inner side. Can you see this cut? This cut and this line should match. This cut and this line. Press it and let it dry and make a line on top, leaving a little gap. As you can see, I've left a little gap and I've put a black color line. You can either paint it or do it with a marker. It's your choice. This is my red color marker. And I will draw a line just below the black part. I will leave a little space and make a red color line. Can you all see it? I made a red color line. Now below that, again I will go with my black color mark. Now, as we can see this opening, we are going to just make an outline on that. As we can see, I've just outlined it. Okay. Now, on either side of the tissue roll, I'm going to draw lines over there. So, I start with a black color. Here, I have used a black color first and then a red color. On the opposite side, below this lower part of the cut, I'm going to make 5 lines. I'll leave equal gap between the lines like this. Now our spaceship is ready and look something like this. I put my photograph and here my spaceship is ready to fly.